Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros 20 making loud noise or rattling. To do it, remove your robot from its charging station and first confirm that the dustbin is seated correctly. To do it, squeeze this button here like that. And then you should be able to open it. Make sure it's not full and there are no big particles in it. Make sure the filter is clean and then make sure the filter is properly seated. It's not moving to the sides. Close it and put it in until it clicks and make sure it's properly seated. If it didn't help, then you need to look on the bottom of the device to see if there are any particles stuck in the brushes or wheels. Try rotating the wheels and try hearing if you can hear that noise that you heard while rotating the wheels. Rotate the brushes as well. Even if you don't hear the noise, clean the brushes. To do it, open the cover here by squeezing these two buttons together. Clean the brushes by removing particles from them. You can also rinse them, but let them air dry for at least 24 hours before putting them back in. Seat them in. The red one goes on the left side, and the gray one goes on the right side. Make sure not to put them in the wrong orientation because it won't fit that way. Just try flipping it. If it didn't go in, try flipping it like that. At some point it should go in if the red one is on the left side and the gray one is on the right side. Now the last thing is this brush. Try seeing if it moves freely, but only in this direction because in the other one it will be locked and it won't move. So try seeing if it moves freely in this direction. If not, try cleaning it. Then last thing, make sure the mopping mop pan pads are properly seated. You can just remove them and put them back on in order to reseat them. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.